Hi everybody, Dr. Michael Horowitz, Vancouver Chiropractor, here today with longtime patient Deanna, who's going to help us demonstrate some stretches which will help keep you in tip-top form, help prevent injury, and help improve posture. Stretching is one of three components of spinal hygiene. So when you combine stretching with regular physical activity and regular chiropractic checkups, you're working towards perfect posture and you're working towards making sure your small aches and pains don't become big ones. So please enjoy this video. If you like it and you find it useful, leave a comment. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've got a lot more great videos coming your way on how to live your healthiest and happiest life.
This next stretch is called squats for low back pain. We're going to have Dee separate her feet shoulder width apart and then squat down, not past 90 degrees. And as she squats down, she's going to reach her arms forward and sit her tailbone back. A good squat will stimulate strength and blood flow to the muscles around the legs, such as the hamstrings and the quadriceps, as well as the muscles of the low back. Since we're a sitting culture and we all sit so much, this is a great exercise to relieve low back pain and discomfort. Perfect. This next stretch is called the Sumo Stretch. I'm going to get you to separate your feet wider than shoulder width apart. And what you're going to do is put your hands on your knees and then rotate one shoulder down to the ground while that same arm is straight. The benefit of this stretch is it helps to stretch out your back muscles, in particular your latissimus dorsi, a muscle that gets really tight, especially with prolonged sitting. So many people have low back pain. This is a great way to relieve tension around your low back. This next exercise and stretch is called the Pelvic Tilt. With your feet shoulder width apart, you're going to work on tilting your pelvis forward and squeezing for 3 to 5 seconds, and then tilting your pelvis backwards and squeezing for 3 to 5 seconds. The benefit of this particular maneuver is helps to mobilize the muscles of your low back and the joints, which can often get tight from sitting and from inactivity. Pelvic tilts is a great way to help treat low back pain. Good job, Dee. This next stretch I call morning salutation stretch, and it's really good when you get out of bed and your low back is tight. With your feet shoulder width apart, you're going to reach down to the ground, but make sure you bend those knees, and then you're going to alternate straightening your legs and bending down to the ground. You should feel a great stretch in the muscles of your low back, in your glutes, and in your hamstrings. Great exercise for relieving low back tension and discomfort. Good job, Dee. This next stretch is called the standing back extensor. With your feet shoulder width apart, you're going to put your hands on your hips and you're going to gently lean backwards, pushing your hips and pelvis forward. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds, release out of that position, and then once again, hands behind your hips and leaning back, pushing your hips forward. Feel that stretch in the muscles and joints of your low back. Great low back relieving exercise. Good job, Dee.
Thanks for watching. My name is Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor in Vancouver. And if you'd like more information on spinal health and how to treat your aches and pains naturally with chiropractic, then please visit our website at vancouverchiropractic.net, where you can book an appointment online or you can email us with any questions that you have. And if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I've got a lot more great useful information coming your way to live your healthiest and happiest life. Enjoy, everybody.